Welcome to English A to Z. Simple past tense. Definition. The simple past tense is used to describe actions or situations that were completed at a specific time in the past. Usage. To describe completed actions in the past. To indicate a series of completed actions. To show a specific time in the past, example, yesterday, last year. Active voice. Subject plus past verb plus object. Example. She wrote a letter to her friend. Passive voice. Object plus was or were plus past participle verb plus by subject. Example. A letter was written to her friend by her. Active voice. Positive. He broke the chair. Positive question. Did he break the chair? Negative. He didn't break the chair. Negative question. Didn't he break the chair? Passive voice. Positive. The chair was broken by him. Positive question. Was the chair broken by him? Negative. The chair was not broken by him. Negative question. Wasn't the chair broken by him? Thank you for watching.